Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I'm participating in Denise Jordan's collaboration / challenge called Herb Garden Challenge. So we're going to put together an herb garden, and today I'm at Trader Joe's choosing some of the herbs that I'm planning to plant in a pot. Let's go. By the way, check out these beautiful flowers, plus the tree that has yellow ones on top. I like this area.
Denise Jordan is an awesome lady who is maintaining two useful, very important channels on YouTube. On the first one, she is sharing her tips and tricks on housekeeping and homemaking. If I'm not mistaken, on the second channel she gives tips and tricks for new YouTubers. So please check both of her channels out, put your thumbs up and leave her comments. Please check out also Laceys' channel, who is the co-host of this challenge, at Laceys Space. I will put both links in the description box.
Look at this peonies. So cute. I love peonies. Look at these sunflowers. When I walked towards the herbs area, my main purpose was to find sweet basil. But as I couldn't find it, I ended up buying just rosemary, parsley, and oregano. On top, I got kind of a gift, 2 bunches of cute pink flowers that were dropped on the ground. I just picked them up and brought home. I got home and arranged my herbs on my moving table. That is for art and design purposes, but I'm using it for my gardening purposes. And as usual, if you are on my channel, you have to see some type of DIY. Even in this challenge, I decided to squeeze in one of my DIY items, which is broken pots. I accidentally hit them and they fell down and broke, but I didn't want to throw them away, and I decided to use them for my today's challenge. Let's see how it works. I myself don't know. I don't have any plans. Everything I'm doing from scratch. So together with these herbs, I'm going to use also 1 pack of dill, 1 pack of sweet basil. These are all the herbs that I like. I also have romaine lettuce seeds here that have already grown. Look how cute they are. And I'm going to harvest them. I will show you the process of harvesting. I have 3 of them left because I add 12 lettuces, and I have these 3 left so they can grow seeds. Oh, nice. Going to put on my black gloves and come back. I forgot to show you this one, lavender, another one of my favorite herbs, but considering the fact that I missed the season, I was supposed to put them during the beginning of spring. Next year, I will have a chance to plant lavender. As you can see, I have the soil here. It's regular herb growing soil from packaging. I just emptied it into this container from Costco, and I'm going to use that simple soil. Let's remove this from here for now. I'm going to try to make a nice place. As you can see, it's a large piece. I can use it. Okay, I'm going to use large pot that I recently purchased, and you will not guess the price. $3.99. Nobody even can imagine that this huge pot can be that cheap. Yes, after COVID, everything is possible. So I believe in cheaper prices after COVID because people don't have money. Now, I'm going to see if they fit in this. Yes, they will. All three of them. Plus, I will have a space to put the seeds as well. Plus, I'm going to harvest romaine lettuce seeds which grew on my windowsill. They're like clouds, small clouds. So cute. I love them. Okay, dear viewers, just because my pot doesn't have any holes in it, I'm going to put some rocks on the bottom because I don't want the roots to get too much water and then rot. So like so. See that? Just a couple of rocks will be okay. I bought this from Dollar Tree, by the way. Now I can start using some of the old soil that I had in some of my pots. There used to be some aloe veras in this pot. Then I used them for my hair, like for hair mask. Because it has some perlite in it, the white product of volcanoes. See this? It's called perlite. So I'm just adding some perlite because it's kind of food for the roots. The rest I'll leave to put on top when I'm done potting. Okay, we'll start with the rosemary. Okay. It came out so easily from the pot. Did you see it? So fast because I watered it last night and left it until today. Yeah, I forgot to mention that I'm putting the next day after buying from Trader Joe's. I'm just now trying to separate the roots from the old soil a little bit so it can get stuck to the new soil. And we'll start growing better. Okay, I guess I need to add more soil. Yes, because this is not enough. Mix of perlite, mix of sunflower seeds, the skin of the sunflower seeds. Such a big pot. Okay, that's it. Okay, I took out the parsley and it smells so good here. Okay, just taking out the ending of the roots because the rest is already braided kind of. Okay, doc. Now, oh, I got it. Okay, parsley will be in the middle. You know why? Because two guys that have a scent, like rosemary has a strong scent, the same as oregano, you cannot mix them together and the smells extra. So I'm going to separate them with parsley, which doesn't have too much scent in it. Okay, and here I may start using my yesterday's broken pot pieces. I told you I have a DIY for you. Get ready. Voila! I got two pieces. I'm gonna make a fence for each of the herbs, like so. Rosemary and parsley will grow in one spot. trash to make treasure. Just think outside of the box. And I need another small one in between the rosemary and parsley. Here we go. I have found one. Like so. Exactly made for this spot. They look so cute. And here I can put my seeds. Okay, so now let's put the sweet basil seeds. See here? I usually use a couple of them and then scotch tape the rest. Okay, let's see. Let's hope they grow. I put too many, but that's fine. Okay, I'm just spreading, sprinkling. Okay, done, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. Here it's only basil. For the dill, I'm gonna grow the dill separately and then I may add here in case. Because dill has very kind of capriccioso habits. It doesn't like growing too fast. So I may grow them separately and then add to this bouquet of herbs. Yeah. You know why the parsley is falling down? Just because I had to put it deeper than the rest. Well, it's okay. I'll correct my mistake by cutting the ends, the top part, and eating them. Covering the basil. I will put the dill seeds into a separate pot together with the seeds of my lettuce that I need to grow more. Actually, I did a research yesterday and it turned out that when it's still yellow or green, it doesn't mean that the seeds are ready. I have to leave them on the stem until they become brownish. So then I can remove and start harvesting. Well, I'll wait 1 more week and see what happens. And I'll have 2 pots. I'm adding the perlite into each compartment a little bit on top. So my herbs get enough food, kind of. Although it's not considered as food, but I'll add food later, within 2-3 weeks. Done. I'll add more soil. Okie dokie, now that my garden is almost done, I'm going to pour some water. Try not to pour too much if your pot doesn't have a hole in the bottom. Well, dear friends, finally I have my herb garden thanks to Denise Jordan. Hope you like my today's DIY pot. And if you like this type of videos, please come back. I'm doing DIYs of all kinds, not only gardening DIYs, but also cooking, baking, all other types of DIYs like arts and crafts. I like creating and I love creative ladies. Please join my team by subscribing, putting your thumbs up in case you like this video, and please don't forget to check Denise Jordan's list of participants and give them some support. Give her support for putting this challenge together. Leave comments, let me know what kind of herbs do you like, because I mostly like very strong herbs. Besides these ones, I love basil, I love Armenian citron, which is similar to a mix of oregano and basil. So it's the in-between. Thank you again, Denise Jordan, for making me finally come up with a large pot of herbs that I will keep in my kitchen and will have fresh herbs on a daily basis without going to a store. Thank you so much. And thanks to everybody who stayed till the end, and see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.